Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Welcome to our courtroom.
I like it. I like it. It's great for you guys to get ready for things, right? For what you do.
Right. Well, we're ready to put it back to use. Hey, we started trials in Columbus this month.
Yeah.
So they picked juries. I don't know if it was the first or last week, but it has been going on. So we're starting to move the train again. So that's exciting news.
Fantastic. Well,
Yeah.
we have a question today. Let's pull it up on the screen. Gary, do I have to pay to speak to a lawyer?
Well, the answer is no at my office, but you know the answer varies. If you're setting up a divorce consultation, it might.
Mm-hmm.
If you're seeing a criminal lawyer, it might. Certainly, probably the first little while is just to figure out if it's a case they can help you with, and then look to establishing fees. As Abe Lincoln is it's attributed to Abe Lincoln, but it's this: a lawyer's time and advice are his stock in trade. I mean, that's what lawyers have to sell. We don't sell gadgets and stuff. We sell our advocacy and our what we know about the law. So I hopefully we add value to people's lives. So there are situations in corporate America where every hour is charged by, but in the kind of law that I do, we give access to the courts to people by not charging a fee unless we recover. There's no expenses unless we recover. There's no charge. It's contingent on success. And so that gives people access to the courts. Otherwise, if you're having to look to fund a lawsuit, which can become very expensive when fighting insurance companies, you don't have to. So anyway, the quick answer is maybe you have to pay, but in our office, certainly.
Okay, so you've kind of touched on fees and maybe some upfront consultation and such, but are there other expenses that we should be concerned about when consulting a lawyer?
Well, anytime, yes. I mean, the out-of-pocket expenses associated with filing a lawsuit can be pretty extensive sometimes. So a lawsuit itself has a filing fee. If depositions are taken, that is sworn testimony, we have to hire court reporters, videographers, sometimes expert testimony is needed. Those are all expenses that can be incurred in a lawsuit. So, but usually those are fronted by the lawyer and dealt with at the end. So
okay. There you
that's
go.
the answer.
That's the answer. Thank you so much, Gary, and we'll see you on the very next Legal Break.